gave like a whole rundown of my sleep. We need a Diet Coke. Okay, so bed's kind of made, but kind of sloppy. Also, I don't even know if I've introed this vlog yet. I'm just like talking to you guys. Hi, good morning. Okay, I think today is Vlogmas day 4. I'm losing track because I'm also gonna be recording a Vlogmas day 3 on today, but doing my tattoo tour. I'm gonna sit down and finally do my lash clusters. So I'm gonna put my contacts in, all that good stuff. And then here in 2 seconds, you guys will see me with my lash clusters. Okay, lashes are on. We love to see it. Just a time check. It is 9:54. So my goal is to be getting ready to go to the gym by at least like 10:15, which shouldn't take me long. I'm trying to hold off on caffeine this morning because I want to be able to get a coffee when I go pick up my groceries. And by groceries, I mean my 24 pack of Diet Coke that I ordered from Hy-Vee because they're having a sale. So, and then I'll come back, I'll do my makeup, and then I'm gonna do my tattoo tour video, all that good stuff, and kind of just keep getting ready for the day. Little fit check to go get my Diet Coke. I just have my Lulu wide leg mid-rise on, and then this absolutely the most comfortable thing I've ever worn in my entire life. Really pricey, definitely worth the investment though. There's lots of dupes of this, but it's for 3 people. I think it's called the Mountain High Half Sip Fleece or Sherpa, whatever. So warm. I don't even have to wear anything under this. Keeps you super warm. Do not wear this if you're gonna be inside a restaurant. I've made that mistake twice and literally thought I was having a heat stroke. It's definitely good for winter. Okay guys, I'm literally out of breath. I just filmed my tattoo tour. So I gave like a whole rundown of my sleeve and why it looks the way that it does. What do I have on there? Like what's going on with all this on my arm? So if you guys want to make sure you watch that video, I will put it in the card and I'll link it down below, all that good stuff. But yeah, that was like a really fun video to film. It was such a good time. I did my makeup obviously before the video and now I'm kind of just chillaxing, but I'm going to probably have to sit down and really start cracking down on my editing so that I can get my second day or third day, I don't know, I'm losing track, my second day of Vlogmas up. So stay tuned for that. But I will check back in with you guys when I am doing something a little bit more productive. I'm bundling up. I'm also vlogging on my phone right now, so the quality is but that's probably why. Bundling back up so that I can go get this effing Diet Coke, and then I forgot I need to put windshield wiper fluid in my car. Ugh. So we're gonna go do that. I need to do it before the sun goes down, and it's 4:19, which the fact that the sun's going down is crazy. It's crazy, but we need a Diet Coke, so let's get it. Okay, we are gonna make my lunch now. It is 4:41, and it's time for me to, I guess, prep for my day tomorrow. Also, fun fact, I used to not be a Touchland hand sanitizer girly. I only really got them as gifts, but honestly, it was nice to kind of get one of these and put it on my keychain. This one was a gift from somebody else. So what I did was I realized you could use your health savings account to order hand sanitizer, which like, I don't know why I didn't think about that. And I ordered a bunch of Touchland hand sanitizers for me to have, and then also I figured it'd be nice to kind of have them as gifts. Normally I'm just like a whatever hand sanitizer I can have kind of girl, like it doesn't really matter. But fun fact, so if you guys did not know, you can use your Touchland hand sanitizers, or you can use your health savings accounts if you have one for hand sanis. First things first is I found this Astray Dr. Coke, oh my god, Dr. Pepper in my bag, so I figured why not go ahead and pour her up. Ooh. Make a little DC. I'm thinking about just air frying some of the Just Bare chicken tenders and then putting some crackers and like apples and things like that on the side. Oh my gosh, somebody is awake from his nappy. somebody's awake from his nappy. I know that if I pack my pasta that I made for dinner last night, I will just get so sleepy, and I'm sure I'm already gonna be kind of out of sorts, out of routine tomorrow. I probably will not pack my pasta, so I'm probably gonna get started. I'll probably get started on packing my lunch and putting my little Just Bare chicken tendies in the freezer. So, okay, the most backwards lunch ever. Crackers, pimento cheese, dates, apples, a Cliff Bar, my Alani, and then I made a peanut butter and jelly literally out of hamburger buns that we had left over. I totally could have gone to the grocery store today and made sure I had more of like a setup. I just don't care. I'll probably get some stuff from Target tomorrow or like order online, grocery store, whatever, because I know we're not supposed to be shopping at Target right now. I was like, I don't even want to sit here and wait to make the tenders because I've literally been on my computer like busting out these vlogs, editing them. So I'm like, how about no? So I'm not going to do that. I'm just gonna make sure I have like snackies, and if I'm really that hungry by the time lunch comes around, then I can definitely order something from Jimmy John's, I don't know, or get something after school. So I think that's gonna be the plan. That's my lunch. She's gonna get packed, and then I'm gonna finish this documentary because it's so good. I love bugs. It's 7:27 and it's becoming that dreaded time of the night where I finally got all my laundry away, as you guys saw in that little time lapse, and now I have to pack my clothes or set them out for tomorrow. And I just don't really want to do that. That's like when that damn I really have to go to work feeling sets in. I need to like wipe all my makeup off, which I haven't been wanting to do today because I feel like my makeup looked kind of good today. But I need to take my makeup off. I already showered like midday and haven't left the house since. Don't want to do any of that. I'm having the worst like fuck my life, fuck my chungus life feeling, and I don't know what I want to wear to work tomorrow. Probably something warm considering it's cold, so I think I'm just gonna wear like a track sweater, like my Truman track sweater, some leggings, and call it good. Okay, so here's what I do. I always just lay out my clothes in my guest bedroom, which it's a hot mess express in here, but I'm just gonna do some wide leg Lululemon leggings. I'm gonna wear this Nike crew neck that has my school track and field on it, and then I'll pick out a pair of shoes in the morning, and then I'll be good to go. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and just wash my face so I can kind of get it out of the way. My contacts are like aggravating the you know what out of me, so I want to go ahead and get all my makeup off and just go ahead and get started on the night routine. The most annoying part of the night routine is always taking my makeup off, especially because I have to do it in a very strategic way so that I don't get water and eye makeup remover all over my eyelash extensions. So I'm gonna do a whole lot of this for the next 10 minutes, and then I'll actually wash my face. When you guys see me, I'll be nice and clean skin, and we'll do my skincare routine. We are clean. We have absolutely nothing left on my face. If you guys have not already been aware, the face wash I use is just tried and true CeraVe. I specifically get the one that's cream to foam because I just feel like it gets in there and really takes my makeup off a little bit better. I'm then gonna go in with my Polish Choice BHA salicylic acid. I have just a little baby one right now because I found one in my makeup vanity. I was like, what? I need to use this up, and we don't overconsume here. So before I ordered a new one, I figured I'd use that one. I put some on a cotton pad, and I will just dab that around my face. I swear I can notice when I go a couple days without using this because my skin will definitely have some blackheads or just like minor little baby pimples all over the place, which I don't normally get unless I'm on my period. And so I'm pretty good about keeping a good clear skin, give or take a breakout here and there. I literally give that all glory to the Polish Choice because I feel like that's just what she does best. And then I will go in with my CeraVe as well as my Corsex Snail Mucin. I was so skeptical of this stuff whenever it first became a trend, and I slowly but surely became a victim of the trend, and I've been using it for years now. So I really love her, especially in the winter time. I feel like it just restores my moisture barrier. I mean, even in the summer, even though people think they get more oily in the summer, since I like to go on runs, and because it is a school night, I will take all these products and I will put them, this is my morning milky toner and my salicylic acid. I'm gonna go take this into the spare bedroom and put this on my desk because I will use all these in the morning. Okay guys, we're in the kitchen yet again. Let's use this cup. So cute, even though I took my ring off because I always have to take her off before bed, but I actually do it when I wash my face too. Just, I don't know, I just don't want all the product getting up on her, but it's kombucha time. I'm not gonna lie to you, I am backed up. My tummy, I don't know if it's because of Thanksgiving or what the F's going on, but clearly I need some probiotics, and I just poured the rest of this in here. So I'm gonna need to go pick some up tomorrow, some extra kombucha, because it's almost like a little mocktail, but it's kombucha, you know? Cheers, cheersies. It just tastes so good out of my little fiance cup.